man, how did they know about Satan Loves? A total whiteout. When I left, there was no snow. It's a total whiteout. My computer at the bottom, the new computer, said -6 or 8 or something, and then it said snow coming. How did Bill Gates know? Two trains going by each other. St. Anne to Bellevue. And here we go, we got the snowstorm starting. Frankie was right, he says, "Base guy, you're getting snow." I go outside and there's frickin' snow. So this is where you were, Pat, last week. I'm walking very slow. It's not far over the bridge at all, it just feels and looks like it, but it's very close. Very cold though, it's like -12. And I just got my cane. I'm going very slow, I'm wearing thick socks. I got my awesome boots, which are kick-ass, and a big backpack, and everything is normal and fine. Let's take a little look here. I haven't been here in a while. I can't wait for the snowstorm coming. Frankie's done another report. I saw it on my computer, said snow's coming. Computer didn't do that before. And every time I think of a snowstorm and dark at night, I think of Pat and like shooting trains at night and stuff. So it won't be the same in the summer. I know in the summer I'm going to say, remember when it was dark and we were in the snowstorms and we went out? It's epical. So we're just going to the other side of this bridge, that's all. It's not a long swim. Check this out, Stefan. Ooh. Oh my goodness, I think I'm zoomed in even. There's the boardwalk. We got people here. And there's the locks. There's your lead-in line to the camera. And let's go. Walk nice and slow. This is where all the pollution comes from. Non-stop traffic. I've walked from where that water tower is, Stefan, not even that far, a block before it. So it's a 10-minute walk here. It takes me 20. You climb up this easy gradient. This is what the old bridge used to look like up there. There's St. Anne's, iconic St. Anne's, the lock system. And you just have to cross this bridge, and as soon as you get to the end of the bridge, there's an amazing, huge computer store. Frankie wants me to film inside the computer store, but I don't know if I want to film all their stuff. They're a really good couple to own it. The owner has a PhD in physics and electronics. So, who would think? Hey, that's how the Base Guy show started. I used to walk across the bridge. Adam would come and carry stuff for me. Everything I'm getting today is light. I might not get a screen. If it's too big, I'll just get the wires and the keyboard. And right at the opposite side is like the biggest, cheapest computer store in the world. They literally have everything you can think of. They don't have enough room in their store, so they bought another store, and they're doing really, really well. So they're doing great so far. Iconic St. Anne de Bellevue. Oh, I think we have another train coming, which will block the sound. Church bell versus train. Bells are ringing. Bell from France. Used to ring for my grandparents when they were kids. Przepraszam. Śmieszne nam chodzi. So I went to the store, I bought $100 in wires for the computer. I had to pay $200 in tax and shipping, $220 or something, and then $100 in wires. So soon it'll all be together. We're getting there. It's a lot of work, but it's a labor. In the Bellevue Veterans Hospital. This is a CN. It's so cold I can't speak. No, I had no. Oh, well, I guess you're both probably.
Fire ride, look.
Can't see much. Made it to our destination. Nothing's focusing, so you can't see it, and the phone's freaking out. But we're at Surplus Tech, the computer store. Best computer store just off the island of Montreal. And the camera's not working very well. I didn't bring my case. And the earth visited. So I'm home, I'm beyond tired and snowstorm, can't even speak. I was asleep for a week. I had to pick up a whole bunch of stuff. I treated myself to some LED lights for the inside of my old computer, which I'm going to be using for the projector to entertain people on the wall. I bought a mini keyboard and mouse to replace for my own personal use, because I have to take the other one, keyboard and mouse, I have to change them all around to make them work. Because I'm using 3 computers. I have a computer at the far end of the room, so I have to buy a big, huge, long, like 30-foot internet cable. I have to buy another HDM cable to make the other projector work. Some rechargeable batteries, and a bunch of watch batteries for the candle lights and stuff on the show, and that cost $100. So, woohoo! Ja, de mensen waren mee vergaten van wat eerst wel een lekker mooie zelie zeker. Merks besturen. Mooie zeker niet. Cannot stress the importance of backlighting. You put up a panel, the lights are back there. I just added some new ones.